Hey guys, today let's learn how to know when to best post on YouTube. So if you guys are wondering what the best specific time to post over on your YouTube channels, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So if you guys are basically having a hard time on finding out when is the best time to post on your own YouTube channel, whether that may be some YouTube shorts, YouTube videos in general, or let's say community engagement posts. So in order for us to basically locate what is the best time to basically post on YouTube is to go on over on your YouTube analytics. So your YouTube analytics is basically represented by, of course, some data which shows you what the best time viewers view on your channel. So in order for us to basically locate where this is, you can actually go on over on your YouTube studio. So going over on your YouTube studio first and logging in to your YouTube channel. So once you're already on the YouTube Studio application, I want you to tap on the channel analytics right here in the middle. Now this is going to show you all of the different metrics and analytics of your channel. You can actually see how many views you've got, the specific watch time you have, and the number of subscribers you have as well. You also have some real-time audiences and data showing right here. And as you would see, we have that. And as of the current moment on my channel, I don't really have any data as of now. But what we can do in order for us to find out what the best time to post our YouTube videos on our channel is to go on over the specific time frame of when they actually view our videos. So this specific data or analytic data is actually shown through this application, and all we need to go ahead and do is tap on the overview, and you are going to see the number, or basically a time table of what is the most number of viewers you have on a specific time frame. Now, as you've noticed, I don't really have that showing on my end right here, and I think that is because I don't really have that much views as well, and I don't really have a consistent amount of viewers in the last few months. But essentially, if you are a channel owner who has basically consistent amount of views and have a few channel subscribers, you are also going to see the time of when your viewers are on YouTube over on this page right here. So all we need to go ahead and do is to go on over and search for that through this page. It may be on the content, overview, or audience tab, but essentially it will be here. So as proof of this, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what that looks like on the PC version. So when you go ahead and search for analytics and search for when your viewers are on YouTube, that's going to show you this audience tab, and what that specific image looks like is something like this. So if you're having a hard time with locating this specific setting on your device or mobile device, you could also go ahead and try your PC, and this is basically going to show you much more options and show you this specific table of when your viewers are on YouTube. And as you would see, here is what we have. A simple guide in order for us to understand this is the darker colors represented on this table are the specific time frames of when your viewers are most on YouTube and viewing your videos. And of course, the less or the lighter shades of this purple color are the times of when your viewers are less likely to be on YouTube. And that is how you guys can easily determine the amount of viewers and what is the best time to post. Of course, by common sense, you should post on the specific time frames of when your viewers are most on YouTube. And essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.